Hello. Hey guys, what's up and welcome to our brand new house. We just got the keys like 2 seconds ago. So I wanted to give you a little bit of a tour while it is still empty before we start moving stuff in here tonight and tomorrow. I'm gonna show you around and talk through a little bit of the projects that we have planned. But just note that our siding is getting done right now, so if you hear the banging, that is our new siding going up from the hailstorm. All right, so when you come into our house, we've got this little nook here, but you see we've got this big entryway, which is something that we were looking for. Our current house had ceilings that were so low that one of the things that we wanted were just high ceilings. Like, give us as much height as you can. So we've got this chandelier up here that is probably getting replaced tomorrow. And then, as you can see, most of the house is painted like this beige. We just want to brighten things up in here and make it a little bit more of our own. But I think that it's a really good place to start. And we love coming in here and just having this open space. So yeah. Once you come in, if you go to your left, you have what they were using as an office. And I don't know how to actually open this door.
Other way, babe.
Oh, there's another one at the bottom. I think it was just locked. There you go. Okay. And when you come in here, you get the office area. I think that there's no light switch in here, so we'll have to have a light put in or something. We're going to use this kind of as like a front room / playroom area for the girls downstairs. I don't know if this light switch doesn't actually do anything. But yeah, I'm excited. This is one of the first rooms that I'm going to start painting. You can see it's really dark. I think when we get some white on the walls in here, it's going to change the whole feel. But we love how many windows are in the house. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but it is so much brighter than houses that we live in. So when you come through the entryway, if you come right, you go into our formal dining room. We're not really formal people, so this will be a dining room, I think. I don't know. And not sure exactly what we're gonna do in here. Maybe we do some built-ins like we did in the other one. I don't know, maybe put something in the corner over here. If anyone has an idea, you can let us know. But we're not really formal. We'll probably change this out. A lot of the lighting fixtures and the paint, I think, will just make a big difference in the house. Let's go upstairs first, hit the bedrooms, and then we'll show you the rest of the downstairs and outside. So, come up the stairs this way. This is a 5-bedroom house. We were looking for a 4, so the 5th was just kind of a bonus. And our 5th bedroom, you'll see, is probably gonna be our loft area. You come up here, and another thing that I liked about this house is it wasn't just like a row of doors of all of the bedrooms. We have kind of some separation in the bedrooms. So if you go over this way, we start off with our this is our guest bathroom. This will be our girls' bathroom. It's nice, they have a little double vanity down here, and we'll definitely be doing a little makeover on this room for them, but it's a good space. Coming out of that bathroom, the view from upstairs down here, this is what you see. We've got this little landing that I'm not sure what we would do with it. It's actually just a closet. Hoping to paint the banisters, I think, as like a Band-Aid fix, but really would love to replace all this if the budget allows eventually. On the end of the hallway, we've got just a linen closet, and the door needs to be shaved a little bit because the carpet is so fluffy. Most people don't like carpet, but we really love carpet because it feels like comfortable and homey. So upstairs is all carpet except for the bathrooms. You come over next to the bathroom is what's probably going to be our girls' room. We love that there's one window in here so we can set up their beds the same way. This is one of the first projects that I'll be doing. Is I've got some wallpaper for the top part of their room, probably like a board and batten look on the bottom. And this is what their closet looks like. What I really want to get in here and do is some sort of closet system, maybe one of the IKEA ones. But one of the things we're sad to see go from our old house is the massive walk-in closets. These all have the sliders, which aren't bad, but just a little less storage area to work with. All right, across the hall from the girls' room will be our guest room, is what we're assuming. This is just another room. It's pretty much identical to their room, but it has 2 windows and faces the front, and the bedroom, not the bedroom, and the closet is pretty much just the same. So all these walls will be painted a different color. These are all videos that you'll be seeing down the line. Like each room will be a video basically. Coming from those two rooms over there, we've got this giant bedroom that is going to be functioning as our loft / main play area, I think, for the girls, and probably a little bit of my office. Yes, I know there's an office downstairs, but I like to work in a more comfortable area. So I'll probably have a desk or something over in this area, some seating, and a dress-up corner, I don't know. But yeah, same as the other rooms, has the sliding door. This is the only room that has windows on that side of our house. I can see our neighbor and their dog. After the loft room, right next to it is the smallest bedroom in the house. So this is just like an extra room. Not sure exactly what will be. Maybe something down the line. But this room, I don't know. In the meanwhile, probably just be like a big storage room, a giant closet, if you will. And next to this room, we have our master bedroom. When you walk in here, you come right into the bathroom, which has a bathtub, which I'm very excited about. I love taking baths in the fall, like I watch Gilmore Girls in the bathtub. And then there's this nice pretty window above the bathtub. You get a little bit of a view of our backyard. We got a shower right here. I don't think we've had a master bathroom that's had a separated shower and tub before. This room I'm excited to make over, but I don't know really what I want to do in here. When you come, it's got like one of those hidden toilets. Not that you guys really want to see that. It's got a little, its own lighting system. That is an eerie light. Here's our master closet. Again, kind of eerie. Need some better lighting for a closet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll get the lights your dad put in the garage.
Oh my gosh. Some blaring bright lights for this room. Is that the attic access?
Yeah. Oh, that's the main attic access for
basically
upstairs.
Yeah. We'll basically each have like a side of the closet. There's more than we need, I would say.
My spot. Her spot.
They've all seen my minimizing my closet video. Okay, so come back through here. One of the nice things about this house that our other house did not have in any room of it, drawers. You guys don't know what it's like if you've lived without drawers in a house. It's something different. You come through, and this is our really big master bedroom that we don't know what to do with. Honestly, it's like more space than we need, but we've got this vaulted ceilings over here, large, so some arch ceilings. And these are nice because it's actually centered, or at least almost centered, unlike our other room. If you saw my master bedroom makeover at the old house, it was the arch, or the tip of it was off center to the wall, so it's just kind of weird to know what to do with. So probably some sort of feature wall eventually in this room. And we've got a big area over here for just living. I don't know what you want to do. And our room has these nice 3 windows that look to the outside where you can see the sighting people. I think that's it for the upstairs. Let's head downstairs. Okay, back downstairs now. I like this detailing that it has. I just never had to design around it, so I'm not sure exactly what it's gonna look like in the end. But when you come through the main door, the front door, you walk into our living room, which is a really nice size, and that's something we loved about it. All of the ceilings downstairs are 9 feet tall, so it just has this more grand and more grand and spacious feel. We're gonna do a little different setup than how they had it. I think we're gonna have things kind of featured over here, but we'll definitely be doing a fireplace makeover, probably something similar to the last house. So I really grew to love that one. But we're gonna get stuff in here tomorrow. We have all our furniture coming and figure out the layout from there. From our living room, you see over into our kitchen, which has another little dining area over here. I think a cool idea would be to do some sort of built-in bench seating with the table here, but we're gonna see what it feels like getting different shaped tables in this room before we jump on that. But since we have this kind of dining area to eat in, the counter in the kitchen, that room I feel like won't get used as much, the dining room over here. So off of the little eating area, got our sliding door at the back, and then here is our kitchen, which is so much nicer coming from what we had, which was a fairly small size kitchen. We like that it is bright and tall in here, and again, it has drawers. So that's the most exciting feature. The kitchen, I think, is the room that, outside the girls' room, where we are gonna start doing our first main project. Like the white uppers, but I think we might take a few things out. We'll be switching out the countertops, the sink for sure. All the appliances are nice and fairly new. Might do some sort of situation over here, But overall, really excited to get into a little bit more space in the kitchen. Our pantry, the sad little pantry. Not the biggest, but I think that we might come up with some sort of pantry using like these cabinets for pantry. Through that area, you come to this slider closet, just like an entry closet. What I really want to do here is tear this stuff out and make it like a cubby mudroom drop zone, if you will. So we've got some place to drop things over here, and next to that is our laundry room. Nothing exciting, but again, will be a really good before and after just because it's so chocolatey in here. This color is almost the exact color of a snack cup pudding, the snack packs or whatever. That's exactly what this reminds me of. We got a few cabinets here. Again, I don't know what we want to do in here, but we'll be definitely changing it up. Yeah, come through here. The last thing to see, oh, I forgot. I always forget. This house also has a basement. I don't know why, but that is not processed to me. Forgot to show you, but that's a little closet there. This room, or this door off of the living room is our basement. And it's a little loud, so I might turn the thing off. The awesome thing that we loved about this house is that it has a finished basement. So we can come in here and just automatically have this extra living space. I think this is where Nick is gonna be working out of just because he likes the separation from the girls during the day. It'll be a lot quieter down here. Not sure what we're gonna do down here exactly. It'll at least have an office area, maybe some sort of movie situation or couch TV situation for sure. These are just utility doors. That little closet's also another utility. And then a very nice feature through this door is our some storage area. So we've got over here and over there we've got some nice storage space, and technically you could put a little in there. I just don't know if I would because it creeps me out.
Yeah, I probably wouldn't.
I wouldn't put anything that I liked back there.
You wouldn't put me back in there?
I would not put you back in there, babe. And then this is where they had a little drum set up. So the girls are gonna be really excited to come over and just run through here when it's all empty because they haven't seen it yet. Empty at least. And they're runners. So we've got that, little windows. Yeah, that is the basement. We'll go back upstairs and show you the outside really fast. My first favorite thing about this house is this front porch that we've got here. We've never had a front porch, so I'm excited to power wash it just a little bit and give it a little makeover. Put some rocking chairs out here. The siding guys just got done out here, so I'll show you a little bit of our outside. Nice big yard, fenced in, which is perfect for our dog and for the girls. This is the little patio we've got. We want to get some, table out here, some seating, get some grilling going on out here. But yeah, there's a lot of good space. We're gonna put the girls' play set back in one of the corners. And then the nice thing that we liked about this yard is that there's this hill back here. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's like a hill that runs through the middle of the neighborhood that has some trees in there, so we can't see those houses over there. So it's pretty private for a neighborhood. And then we've got trees on both sides that pretty much block out our neighbors for when we're hanging out here. We walked through and I forgot to mention this room. This is a little half bath off of the kitchen area, and this is going to be a project because this is wallpaper. The only thing in the house that really needs to be torn out. They left some decor for us here. Not my style, so we're gonna change out the lighting fixture, probably this vanity, all that stuff. And this will be definitely another really good before and after just because of what is on here right now. I don't even know what that says. That is our house tour. I hope you guys are as excited as we are to start working on here. If you haven't subscribed, we've got a lot of videos and content coming your way because we are gonna be working on pretty much every room that you see from top to bottom. Next step for us is moving everything in here tomorrow, and that will probably be the next video that you see is our moving day. So like this video if you like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you soon for lots of painting and happy cleaning.